Well, we are gonna put some Mentos on a Sprite and see the effect on it.
Okay, so we have Sprite and Mentos. So let's see what happens.
No, you can't put that thing.
Let's do this real quick. I'm kind of scared.
Why are you scared?
What if the cap fits me or something? Let's see.
Wait, you have to shake it first. Hannah, open it.
Going to.
Open it now. I want to see it. Can you put another one in it?
I can try, but that hurts.
That was awesome. Hannah, you have to shake it first. You have to shake it first. It's not gonna do anything.
It's not doing anything.
Hannah, you have to shake it.
I'm not gonna shake it.
Whatever.
I'm